In today's digital age, Gmail has become a ubiquitous platform for communication and accessing various online services. However, many individuals still encounter challenges when trying to create a Gmail account without the requirement of a phone number. Rest assured, there are a few noteworthy points to keep in mind that could potentially ease this process for you. Firstly, one crucial requirement is that your account registration should indicate that you were born in 2009 or later. This ensures that you meet the eligibility criteria set by Gmail. Additionally, it is advisable to switch to a different web browser when attempting to create your account. Sometimes, certain browsers may encounter more difficulties, whereas using an alternative one could enhance your chances of success. Moreover, it is important to note that there are limitations on the number of accounts you can create in a day. While the exact limit is unspecified, it is advisable to refrain from creating excessive accounts to avoid any potential issues or violations of Gmail's terms of service. When it comes to providing personal information, it is wise to opt for, rather not say, when selecting your gender. This allows for increased privacy, ensuring that your Uni account remains more discreet and secure. Additionally, when entering your name, it is better to input your full name instead of just a single letter. This helps to establish credibility and legitimacy for your account. By diligently following these steps, you will greatly increase your chances of successfully creating a brand new Gmail account without the need for a phone number. Embrace the simplicity and convenience that Gmail offers, and get ready to enjoy seamless communication and access to a wide array of online services. So go ahead, embark on this exciting journey, and relish the experience of setting up your brand new Gmail account. Good luck. Please subscribe my channel for more.